Students, today I will let you know one thing about the reading section of the question paper. Actually, there will be two comprehension passages based on MCQs and short answerings. So I will try to make you understand how to look for suitable answers for the questions asked related to the passages we read in the question paper, and it is quite easy since the questions will be always in the form of MCQs and short type questions. So here is a similar passage that I am going to read to you. So listen to it intently till its end. So here the question says, read the passage given below and complete the statements that follow. And this passage has been divided into paras. So the first para starts, tourists to Jammu and Kashmir have another attraction, a floating post office on the Dal Lake in Srinagar, the first in the country. Floating post office, which is situated in Dal Lake, claimed to be the only one such post office in the world, is built on an intricately means in a complicated way, carved maroon houseboat. Carve is a verb which means to cut a hard thing in order to produce an object or a design, and maroon means anything which is isolated or left aside. Houseboat fastened on the western edge of the Dal Lake. Now the second para starts. This post office lets you avail. Avail is a verb which means to have the benefit of all the regular postal services available in the country while being afloat. The seal used on everything posted from floating post office is unique. Along with the date and address, it bears the design of a boatman rowing a shikara. Shikara is a kind of boat on the Dal Lake. The special feature of this post office is that letters posted from here carry a special design which has the picturesque. Picturesque means quite vivid and elegant, beautiful. Okay, picturesque scenery of Dal Lake and Srinagar city. These pictures reach wherever these letters are posted to, and hence promote Kashmir as a tourist destination across the world. Now the third para starts. This is actually a heritage post office that has existed since British times. It was called Nehru Park Post Office before 2011. Before 2011, its name was Nehru Park Post Office. But then the chief postmaster, John Samuel, renamed it as Floating Post Office. After 2011, its name has been Floating Post Office. Okay. And now the fourth para starts. The post office houseboat has two small rooms. One serves as the office and the other a small museum that traces the philatelic history of the state postal department. It has a shop that sells postage stamps and other products. Now fifth para starts. But for the locals, floating post office is more than an object of fascination. 1 to 2 crore is deposited per month in floating post office by communities living in and around the Dal Lake. The lake has several islets. Islets means isles that are home to more than 50,000 people. Now the next sixth para starts. The greatest fear is the recurrence of 2014 like floods, in which the houseboat had gone for a toss uncontrollably pushed by the flood. Rescue teams had to anchor it using a special mechanism in a nearby highland. Then it was brought back on the Dal after the water receded. The biggest boon is that at no time of the year do you need a fan in this post office. So here the passage has ended and the questions are there. The first question is, what is the location of the floating post office in Srinagar? What is the location of the floating post office in Srinagar? Options are there. A, on Dal Lake. B, near Sanquer. C, on Pari Mahal. So the right answer is on Dal Lake. Next question, what is special about the seal used in post office? Option A, design of a houseboat on the Dal Lake. Option B, design of a boatman rowing a shikara on the Dal Lake. Option C, design of a chinar tree on the Dal Lake. So the right answer is option B, design of a boatman rowing a shikara on the Dal Lake. Third question, the post office is helpful in promoting tourism. The post office is helpful in promoting tourism as the letters posted from here carry a special design which has the picturesque scenery of Dal Lake and Srinagar city. Fourth question, who renamed the post office as floating post office? Chief Postmaster. A, Chief Postmaster. B, Postman. C, Delivery Agent. So its right answer is A, Chief Postmaster. Fifth question, the two rooms of the post office are used for. So here its answer is, one serves as the office and the other a small museum that traces the philatelic history of the State Postal Department. Okay. Sixth question says, the post office is beneficial to the locals as 1 to 2 crore is deposited per month in floating post office by communities living in and around the Dal Lake. Also, the lake has several islets that are home to more than 50,000 people. Next question. Seventh, what is the greatest fear that the post office has? Option A, floods. Option B, earthquakes. Option C, tsunami. So option A is correct, floods. Eighth question, how is the post office a big boon to the people? Option A, you do not need a fan. Option B, you need air conditioning. Option C, you do not need heater. So its right answer is option A, you do not need fan. Next and last, ninth question, the flood came in the year 2014 in Kashmir Valley. So right answer is 2014. So the passage has ended and we have done